Last English lecture discontinued due to some reason, so I'm continuing. The very essential thing is that for Whitehall knowledge, for coming in Whitehall knowledge, you should have the four decision, four sankalp, that is four sutra. By these four decision, by these four confirmation of yourself to yourself, that I am passing my life in this format, you your unlimited Whitehall samarth capacity is starting coming in your knowledge. Means your experience will be gaining saghan, gaining rich, and you will know that how I am Whitehall and how I am giving rachna, how I am giving result by creating this only. So by your wish everything is happening, but you don't know these things. Means in every second you are, whatever you are observing, it is also a creation. And this observation is not basically in drasti form. It is you are identifying in drasti form, but it is not, it is basically your jana ja raha form. So in jana ja raha there is not any drasti, and first, second, third stage in jana ja raha safedana form. So in fourth stage, this tathastu vardhan of rachna of observing anything is itself a creation. But you understand yourself as body, I am manushya, then I'm dekh raha hu, I'm observing, means you are not identified like that. So if you going in a very depth in this mind operation functioning, then you will find that I'm Whitehall, I'm not this manushya, I'm not this particular may, I'm not I'm not existing, but Whitehall am is existing. There is not any drasti is not existing. Face, body, memory, and these are not existing, but jana ja raha is existing. That is a real, actual jindapan, aliveness. But these all things are the rachna, all the jad things, already murda things. Because your jana ja raha only identify in a gyan that I am body. So I was talking about the four sutra, and that four sutra is the base foundation of your all experience of Whitehall. So what is that? First is I'm Whitehall, I'm Adhar Chetana, I'm not body, I'm not Manushya, I'm not Vyakti, I'm not May, I'm not Drashta, Drasya, Drasti. I'm Whitehall, I'm Safedna Hole, I'm असंख्य ब्रह्मांडों से बड़ा अनलिमिटेड आई एम लार्जर देन अनलिमिटेड universe at particular this second. In every second I'm in this particular format, I'm living, not in body form. So this is your first sankalp, first rule, first pattern, first decision which is add in your life, that from this way you will start your experiencing each and everything by this base. Second thing is you will stop all the puja, karmakand, going to Astha Kendra, whatever be the religion, whatever be the mazhab, whatever be the dharma in the whole world, whatever be the panth in whole world. these all things is related with bhakti marg, but you are going research and starting research and development in gyan marg. So in whenever you starting this in gyan marg, then there is not any satta in, upper than you, which can govern you. You are you are already creator and you are giving result. That's why all the thing, you if you will stop this, then this you will starting gain result by that way. Otherwise you will after a long time you will understand that I'm not in white hole knowledge, I'm just in ninth dimension knowledge, I am just in eighth dimension knowledge only. After the third sutra is that you should start janne ko janna, means whatever we knowingness coming inside yourself in your knowledge, uh, which is होने को जाना जा रहा, which is जागरण को जाना जा रहा, which is hostel, which related with hostel, that that knowingness without subject, that knowingness without subject, if you are converting that knowingness in white color, that is called safedna. And the why the conversion is necessary, it itself already color is safed. That's why we are calling that safedna. And that safedna is you. That safedna, which is larger than an unlimited universe, that is you. Or at present, this second, you are in that form. But there is an one burden you are creating by yourself, that I am body, I am this. So you are feeling burdenness in that way. Fourth thing is, so third thing is जानने को जानना, और basically white hole हूँ जानने को जानना means first, second, third stage, how I am living in first, second, third stage, this जानने को जानना means जाना जा रहा सफेदना is single happening, single event, single घटना, and there is not any जानने वाला, there is not any देखने वाला, there is not any जाना जा रहा itself a single घटना, and that is you, means लोहा लोहे को जान रहा है, means you are identify yourself. So in this identification, if you are not doing wish, if you are not doing creating ichha, then other population of zero level doing wish and operating first, second, third stage, and by byproduct fourth stage is you, and you understand that I am समझा, मैंने समझा, मैंने जाना, like this. So this is the, and fourth decision, fourth sutra is that although you are in agyan, you are in unknowingness, and you understand that your body, but basically you are white hole. It means you are already having samarth of capacity of white hole. So if you don't know that, the samarth capacity, then also you are having that capacity hiddenly. So why you are not using that? You should use that capacity in converting result, converting tathastu, converting vardhan. Then you will be in the power of your Rishi Muni and all the things who create anything, who create everything, whatever they want, they can do. They did that things. So these four sutras is the basic foundation. If you are living this, then the result will start coming in your knowledge. So after taking these four sankalp, four decision, What you waiting for? Start your vital experiencing. By you just have a notebook, uh, one pen, and uh, start listening all the video in YouTube, and all the or and when the sense formation starting, some points you feel exact by yourself that it is related and it is appealing inside myself. Note that particular point. And second, again do you start from four sutra. After every need, every sleep, uh, you should start with four sutra. Then because in need basically a murder of awakeningness. Jagran murder is need, host murder is need. So behoshi is the murder of a host, and need is basically behoshi. So you should cancel the need, by which the it is we called regular murder of your host, of your vital driving experience. And by this, if you cancel your this sleep, this need, this jhabki, then unlimited vital samarth, vital capacity, tathastu, vardhan, everything is waiting for you, and your celebration will start. Yeah, your world will be the different. You feel like that I am not this particular body, I am creator, and I can do anything, whatever be I wish, and it will be the complete in like in this particular mechanism. Whole mechanism in this particular earth prithvi is false. It is not existing that you're pushing the switch and the fan will start. It is the whole agyan basically, by your wish everything is happening. So this is Maya. This by this theory, total male population is not able to come in vital knowledge. Any illness, any bimari is not existing in this world. All the bimaris name, all the illness names is creating by uh, zero population to afraid the total male population, so that they cannot start living amar vital life. They are amar vital purush. And death never come in their life. But by this kind of delivering of tension, they are losing their life. This is a big षड्यंत्र, big things which you in this particular Maya world. Then whenever you will come in vital knowledge, then you will understand that this biggest thing happening, cheating have cheating, if you can call cheating, then this kind of things in Maya basically is a Brahm. And this kind of thing is happening from the birth of the earth, from the birth, birth of the earth till this particular time, 10,000 years, 20,000 years, total male population was living in this particular Gyan, and still not in zero level Gyan, still not vital level Gyan. So by start your life as vital, your complete freeness. You already free from all bondage. But if you are not having vital knowledge, then you will find yourself kaid, amukt avastha, in ninth dimension, eighth dimension. So just free yourself, and you are already free. You are just in a gyan creating foundation. So free from all fear, free from all tension, free from all the things, because unended celebration, unended happiness, and everything is waiting for you. So start celebration.